If you've heard the words digital products online and have absolutely no idea what they are, then this video is just for you. No jargon, no complicated explanations. And by the end of this video, you'll understand what digital products are and why South Africa is actually a great place to sell them. So let's start at the beginning. Why not, right? So a digital product is something that exists online. You can't hold it in your hands or ship it in a box, but it has real value and people pay real money for it. Now, examples include ebooks or journals, templates, guides, and digital resources that help people solve problems or learn skills. Now, here's the exciting part. Basically, create it once, and it can be sold over and over again. And you don't need stock. You don't need packaging. You don't need to visit a post office. The system delivers the product automatically, and you get paid. That's why people are attracted to digital products. They're scalable and can be sold anywhere in the world. Now, here's the part where nobody tells you, right? That most South Africans see the exchange rate as a disadvantage. We see it every time we buy groceries, or we pull up in our car, or we pay our bills. But online, the exchange rate can actually work in your favor. Your customers, they don't have to be in South Africa. You can sell to people in the UK, the US, Australia, and many other countries where online buying is normal. A product that seems affordable to someone overseas can make a meaningful difference when converted back into Rands. That's completely changed how I viewed online business. And the same thing we often complain about can become an advantage when you learn how to operate online. So how do you go about starting this? So first you decide what you are going to sell. Now, some people create their own digital product from scratch. Others choose to promote existing digital products and earn commissions when a sale is made. Now, both approaches can work, right? Number two, second is you use a platform that handles payments and delivery automatically. Third is you tell people about it through content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. You share your story, you provide value, you direct people to your link. Now, that's really the model. Simple doesn't mean easy, but it's far less complicated than most people think. And personally, I didn't start by creating my own product. I found a system that already had the products, the training, and the support all in place. My job was simply to learn the skills, create content, and market the offer. That's how I got started. And if you'd like to learn more about the exact system I've used, I've left the details in the description below. Take a look and see if it's something that interests you. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. So if this video has helped you understand digital products and a little bit better, please like and subscribe. I create content specifically for South Africans who want to learn more about building income online. Tell me in the comments, what's your biggest question that you might have about digital products? I would really love to know. See you in the next video.